say goodbye to the keyframes with this plugin. My new bundle of text animations contains over 50 text animations to use in your videos. Really simple to use, drag and drop format, drag into the effects tab and drop it into your timeline. And the job is done. You can speed up your editing process and become the best editor in the market with this plugin. Code of discount subs for the 50% of discount in your order. And guys, let me show you what this preset contains inside and enjoy the sauce. So, okay guys, we are here in DaVinci Resolve. Okay, this is my timeline right now. Okay, it's a bit messy, but don't worry. You need to go to the FX tab, okay, titles, and there you have it. Okay, you have the viral captions. Okay, you have all of these captions of this pack. Okay, as you see, there is a lot of animations, pretty nice. Then you have the bio subtitles. Okay, this is another of my packs, and as you see, are pretty much animations that are pretty cool. Okay, check text, viral flu run, and World War War. And finally, we have the viral text by hamo.studio. Okay, and you have all of these animations that are pretty amazing. Okay, so guys, this pack, this bundle, but I'll say contains all of these animations. As you see, are more than 50 animations, 50 text animations. With this, man, you are ready to go. You won't worry about text animations and keyframes and none of that sense in a while. Trust me, because you have, as you see, all the viral captions, all the viral motion graphics in this bundle. Okay, so guys, and take care, and I will show you all of this, and the last one is this. So guys, hope you like it, and you have the link down below in the description with the prompt with the discount code called subs, 50% of the discount in your order. And see you later and enjoy the pack.